Maintaining strong relationships with extended family members can be fulfilling and enriching. Here are some tips to help you nurture and sustain these connections. Regular communication. Keep in touch through phone calls, texts, emails, and social media. Share updates about your life and show genuine interest in theirs. Attend family gatherings. Participate in family events, gatherings, and celebrations whenever possible. These occasions provide opportunities to bond and create lasting memories. Initiate contact. Don't wait for others to reach out. Take the initiative to call, message, or plan get-togethers. Your effort will be appreciated and reciprocated. Listen actively. When you engage in conversations, be an attentive listener. Show interest in their stories, concerns, and achievements. This demonstrates that you care about their experiences. Respect differences. Extended families often have diverse perspectives and backgrounds. Be respectful of differing opinions, values, and lifestyles to maintain harmony. Resolve conflicts gracefully. Conflicts may arise, but addressing them respectfully and calmly is key. Avoid escalating arguments and focus on finding common ground. Share responsibilities. Help organize family events or gatherings. Contributing your time and effort demonstrates your commitment to the family and strengthens your relationships. Remember special occasions. Acknowledge birthdays, anniversaries, and other significant milestones. Sending a card, a message, or a small gift can go a long way in maintaining strong bonds. Create traditions. Establish family traditions that everyone can look forward to. Whether it's a yearly picnic, a holiday party, or a game night, these rituals can foster a sense of unity. Stay updated. Keep up with family news by asking questions and showing genuine interest. Being informed about their lives helps you connect on a deeper level. Show appreciation. Express gratitude for their support, kindness, and presence in your life. A simple "thank you" can strengthen your relationships. Be patient. Building and maintaining relationships takes time. Be patient, especially if you're trying to reconnect with relatives you haven't been in touch with for a while. Use technology. Use video calls to bridge geographical gaps and maintain face-to-face interactions, even if you're far apart. Avoid gossip. Refrain from engaging in negative conversations or spreading rumors within the family. Focus on positive interactions and discussions instead. Offer support. Be there for your extended family during challenging times. Your empathy and support will strengthen your relationships. Respect boundaries. While maintaining connections is important, respect individual boundaries and personal space. Forgive and let go. Mistakes happen. If conflicts arise, be willing to forgive and move forward, focusing on the bigger picture of maintaining a strong family bond. Use social media wisely. Social media can be a great tool for staying connected, but use it thoughtfully. Avoid misunderstandings and conflicts by communicating directly. Remember, building and maintaining relationships take effort from both sides. While you can't control others' actions, your commitment and consistent efforts can contribute to the strength of your extended family relationships.